Model 2008 Nissan Primastar Dci 150 SA body, silver, panel van mileage 98,802 MOT, the 11th of October 2023 engine 1995 CCM9R 150 bhp transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Needs injector number 1 replacing. Still drives fine, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.